To all IT students who want to start learning Cisco 300 to 810 dumps, we have updated the 300 to 810 dumps recently to be your good preparation materials for 300 to 810 implementing Cisco Collaboration Applications (CLICA) certification exam. ITPrepare has provided you Cisco 300 to 810 updated exam dumps questions that will enable you to prepare adequately for the 300 to 810 exam. These 300 to 810 practice dumps questions and answers will help you gain confidence and acquire the right attitude towards the 300 to 810 exam. Recommend to watch this video to find Cisco 300 to 810 free dumps as the demo online. Question 1. Which authentication method allows a user to log into an SSO-enabled Cisco Unified Communications application by utilizing a Microsoft Windows login, thereby not requiring any credentials to be entered? A. Smart card. B. OAuth. C. Form-based. D. Kerberos. Answer. D. Question 2. Which two methods does Cisco Jabber use for contact searching in an on-premises deployment model? Choose 2. A. HTTP. B. XMPP. C. UDS. D. LDAP. E. SIP. Answer. CD. Question 3. Which Cisco IM and Presence service must be activated and running for IM Presence to successfully integrate with Cisco Unified Communications Manager? A. Cisco DHCP Monitor Service. B. Cisco Axle Web Service. C. Self-provisioning IVR. D. Cisco XCP Authentication Service. Answer. B. Question 4. Which function of the Cisco IM and Presence High Availability solution is true? A. When the server has been restored to a normal state, user sessions remain on the backup server. B. When an event takes place, the end-user sessions are not moved from the failed server to the backup. C. When the server has been restored, the server automatically fails back. D. When a high-availability event takes place, the end-user sessions are moved from the failed server to the backup. Answer. D. Question 5. Which description of an IDP server is true? A. Authenticates user credentials. B. Provides user authorization. C. Is an authentication request that is generated by a Cisco Unified Communications application. D. Consists of pieces of security information that are transferred to the service provider for user authentication. Answer. A. Question 6. Which entity is a standard component used for authentication by SAML 2.0? A. Identity provider. B. Session broker. C. Internet service provider. D. Client access server. Answer. A. Question 7. When Cisco IM and Presence is configured to use automatic fallback, how long does the Server Recovery Manager service wait for a failed service server to remain active before an automatic fallback is initiated? A. 10 minutes. B. 20 minutes. circa 30 minutes. D. 1 hour. Answer. C. Question 8. SAML SSO is enabled in Cisco Unified Communications Manager. What happens when a browser-based client attempts to access a protected resource on a service provider? A. The browser follows the redirect and issues an HTTPS GET request to the IDP. B. The IDP checks for a valid browser session. C. The service provider generates a SAML authentication request. D. The SAML request is maintained as a query parameter in the GET request. Answer. C. Question 9. What is the maximum number of Cisco Unity connection locations connected in a HTTPS network? A. 50. B. 25. Circa 200. D. 10. Answer. B. Question 10. What is the primary mechanism in Cisco Unity connection that is used for toll fraud prevention? A. Restriction tables. B. Fraud tables. C. Transfer rules. D. Calling search spaces. Answer. A.